She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another March Madness blend. If you're new here, then you don't know, but this month I am dropping a new blending video every day for the month of March. And so if you already been on this channel, then you're probably like, sis, this ain't new. We've seen this. Yes, I know. So this blend is blend number 7, and I believe this was called pumpkin spice. So yes, I've already done this blend, but I am doing it again because today I'm showing you guys what this blend looks like as a braided style, and the style will be knotless box braids. You guys have been begging to see these blends as a braid, and although I do show you guys what it looks like as a braid on all the other videos, a lot of you guys want to actually see it on a head, right? So I finally got the opportunity to show you guys that again. And so my client decided to do the colors 27, 4, and 30. So that is what I blended, and we're just going to get into the video. Now, I'm not going to go into details on everything. Pretty much everything that I'm showing here, I have separate videos that are more detailed explanation on. For example, I have a separate video all about how I do my knotless box braids. I have a video on how I dip the braiding hair in hot water, so on and so forth. So I'll be dropping a lot of those links to those videos down in the description below. So be sure to check that out if you want more detailed explanation of how I do this. For this video, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch the process of me doing the braids with this custom color blend. And I think you guys would appreciate, because I really love the turnout of this. I loved even the process of doing this and seeing how these colors looked, because I pretty much finessed it in a way where everything wasn't one color. I kind of tried to add a little bit of highlights. So some of the braids, you'll notice that I added it had more of the color 27. Some of the braids were pretty much mixed even. Some of the braids were a little more darker, and again, this was just to give it a little highlight. So I think you guys will appreciate that. So please be sure to watch until the end. That's when I'll show you guys the final result of what this blend looks like as a braided style. And I want you guys to drop a comment below letting me know what you guys think of the braids and what you think of the color. And I know y'all seen all this hair that my client has. By the end of this video, you guys wouldn't even know she had all this hair. I did tuck her hair in so that her natural hair does not take away from this blended color. So this color is really going to show you guys. So just wait until the end. And I do have a separate video on how to tuck. That video will also be linked down in the description below. I'm telling you guys, if you're an aspiring braider, I got y'all. Like, just hit the subscribe button and go ahead and check out some of my other videos after you finish this one. But I definitely have some good braiding tips and tutorials, and of course these blends that you guys absolutely love. So I'm going to stop talking and allow you guys to watch until the very end. And again, make sure to drop a comment letting me know what you guys think of the braid, also of the blend. Like the video if you like it so far, and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow in my next blended series. Y'all stay blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love. Bye.